In this video, I'm going to show you guys the Metro Manila MRT and LRT, which I think are trains. I had no idea they had a train system here in Manila. I heard they're building something, but I didn't know there was one here. I'm too cheap to pay 500 pesos for a taxi back. Plus, this is a great way to go ahead and see how the locals travel, right, Palm?
Yes, I'm so excited because from what I see, from the Google map, it's just 28 peso each.
28 pesos each, and we just finished here at the Manila Boardwalk, the Dolomite Beach. So I think they got some unique form of like sand there. It felt really rocky and hard, right? To be honest, not the greatest beach, but it's definitely a unique kind of beach, right? So
And definitely, the important thing is free.
yeah, free entry, right? So let's go ahead and show you guys how to take a Metro, LRT, MRT here in Manila. Let's go. Hello, this is what you do. Massage, wow. Okay, so how? Sir, bro. Okay. Salamat, thank you. Okay, for sure. This is nice, cool. What a fun guy. On the way here, he said hello to us, and I kind of ignored him, to be honest. I wasn't sure what kind of massage he was talking about. But now I know he's talking about a legit massage, like a proper thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, I wish I was taking a massage, but maybe next time. We just finished looking at the intramurals and Fort Santiago, which was great, as well as the Cathedral Church. What do you think of the historical places here so far?
It's so interesting for sure because we don't have that in Thailand, so this is kind of new for me.
Yeah.
And also they have a lot of spots to take a picture, so I love it.
Yeah, must check out place if you're in Manila. Let's see if we can find an MRT, LRT. We're following Google Maps, so hopefully we don't get lost. Yeah, let's go. Wow, that was a close one. Only 19 seconds to cross the road. We barely made it, but yeah. Let's go find an MRT and LRT. This is fun, I love it. It's kind of hot though, so bring yourself a towel. I'm starting to learn, you know. I got an umbrella here today because I took you guys' advice. Everybody told me to go ahead and drink coffee in the middle of the day, which I do. And also to carry an umbrella, which is kind of a...
It's in your bag.
It's my bag. I mean, the umbrella's in my bag, so I'm following. I'm paying attention. I'm catching up. I'm picking up what you guys are putting down. Okay, so I got myself an umbrella. Oh, look at me. I'm becoming more and more Filipino every day. All right. Pretty cool, right? Oh, thank you. As we walk to the metro, as you can see, this area is a little bit different from the area we're staying at in our first video we showed you guys. It's a little bit more modern, more westernized. A lot of like name brands that I've recognized from the West, like H&M, McDonald's, you know, all the regular stuff, right? So it's a little bit less local, but you can still find a lot of cool things like the jeepney that's still going around, people selling stuff. And yeah, so Manila is very big and diverse. You can find all kinds of things from local to modern. There's of course the BGC and Makati area. Yeah, and the kids everywhere are very friendly. Mabuhay, what's up? Oh, high five, give me one of these. Yeah, buddy. Let's find a train station. Chili's? Oh, fish. Okay. That was Chili's. No, but maybe I can get some of the peanuts. Just 20 pesos, please. Thank you. I love these peanuts because they're tiny and the chili filled with garlic. You can find them anywhere here in the Philippines, pretty much, right? So, and this guy's very nice. I like him. Okay. Oh, thank you. Oh, check this out. Perfect snack. Very affordable. Let's go.
You want to try it now?
You try it, Mom. You gotta be in it somehow, man.
I want water. Why you give me some dry thing?
Mom, how does it taste?
I want
Before we try those peanuts, stopping at 7-Eleven for some water, because you know we're gonna need it. 15 pesos, not bad. Oh, buongiorno. Mom, be the test dummy. Try it, let us know how it tastes.
It looks so good though.
Take a whole lot of peanuts there. Oh yeah.
Spicy and salty.
Spicy, salty, crunchy, perfect combination, yeah. Let us know if you tried this before.
I'm gonna show the real chili.
Let us know how to say this in Tagalog or Bisaya. How do you say like fried peanuts on the street? Is there a specific name for it?
It's so good though.
Delicious.
Yeah, because I can smell like the smoke from the pan that they do and mix with the garlic.
Really good. Let's go. I think we came to the right spot. Here it is. Hello. 2 tickets to EDSA. Other side. So how do I get there? Okay, okay, thank you. Wrong side. Hello. EDSA, 2 tickets. Hold on, thank you. Oh yeah. Oh. All right, that was a little tiring, so we crossed to the other side. It's got the same name though, a little bit strange, but only 20 pesos each. So yeah, so far, off to a good start. Sweating though. This is so good.
A lot of people look at us.
I wonder what it looks like. Want to get inside? Let's go. We gotta do it. Thank you. Grab on something. Yeah, it's a lot of people. That was our LRT experience. It's time to catch the MRT. Once again, up the stairs. I'm sweating. I'm tired. Let's go. You gotta have some strong kneecaps. A good workout though. No wonder everybody in the Philippines is thin, slim, and in good shape.
Ah,
How you feel, Tom?
I can feel my legs now. I'm so tired. We walked almost 10 kilometers today and we still like have to climb the stair.
Yeah, I mean, you're still young enough relatively, right? You can do it.
Yes, let's see the MRT.
Oh, look at that lineup. I guess this is a security checkpoint. What? Unfortunately, the line is way too big. We don't got time to wait in this line because we got to be somewhere, but at least you got a chance to see what the LRT looks like. Let us know what you think if you're taking an MRT, LRT here in Manila. It's definitely a great way to skip the traffic, but if you got to line up like this, I'm not really sure how long it's going to take to get in there. And once we're in there, I'm not sure how long it's going to take to actually get on the train. We got to be somewhere in an hour, so I'm not sure we're going to make it, but I hope you guys found this very informative. I had a great time. I got a great chance to visit some places, to see some places and experience traveling like a local. How was your experience today, Pam?
It was a nice day. It's a nice experience, and also this is the first time here in Manila for me. Everything is so excited, and it's kind of like a little bit sad for me that I didn't have experience about the MRT one because the line is so busy and like we have limited time. So maybe next time we will try again, and definitely it's a great experience with the LRT, right?
Definitely.
Yeah, and it's so cheap. It's a good system, and also today I really love the fort that we've been visit here, and also the people here. Yeah, sorry, the people here are super nice. They are super nice. Like everyone say hello and waving to us like they're super nice. I love the people here.
Let me know if you're taking an MRT, LRT in Manila. What do you think of this video? Anything you want to share? If you take time to write it, I take time to respond. I'm gonna go and find a different way home and to get to our meeting.
And thank you for watching us, and don't forget to subscribe for the next video. We're gonna do like a fried street food here. Let's see what we're gonna eat. Salamat!